A grand reopening for the Golden State. California lifting most of its COVID restrictions Tuesday.
No more physical distancing requirements, no more caps on occupancy.
The new health order allows vaccinated people to go without a face mask in most situations. That now includes Disneyland, where visitors who are fully immunized can ditch the coverings using the honor system. The state's safety measures will now only be enforced at indoor events with 5,000 or more people and outdoor events with 10,000 plus.
We have now administered over 72% of Californians 18 and older have received at least one dose of vaccine. 72% of Californians. That's among the highest rates of vaccination in the United States.
A big turnaround for the first U.S. state to go into lockdown. With a population of nearly 40 million, California was hard hit by the pandemic. Confirmed coronavirus deaths there topped 62,000. Now cases and fatalities are way down, and the state's rate of infection is below 1%. Giveaways marking the reopening Tuesday. California Governor Gavin Newsom drawing 10 names of residents who've received at least one dose. The winners scoring $1.5 million each. Nationwide, the U.S. just hitting a grim milestone of 600,000 known COVID deaths. Roughly the same number of Americans who died of cancer in 2019. But since peaking in January, the country's 7-day COVID death average has fallen by almost 90%. The drop due in large part to vaccinations. According to the CDC, more than 174 million people have received at least one dose in the U.S. Breaking it down to those 18 plus, 64.5% are at least partially vaccinated. And an update from New York, that state's governor announcing Tuesday, effective immediately, most restrictions in his state, they're lifted. After more than 70% of adults have received at least one dose. There are plans to celebrate the nationwide progress at the White House. Something is being planned, billed as an Independence from the Virus bash on Independence Day in the U.S. Joe Biden had set a goal for 70% of eligible U.S. residents to get at least one dose by that July 4th holiday. There are still a few weeks to go, but with enthusiasm waning for the vaccine, it looks like he'll likely fall short of reaching that target. Melissa Duggan, City News.